or food items. Yes?
What is add?
Adding is when you have a certain amount of anything and then you are adding more items to that. For example, if I have one pencil and I'm going to add another pencil, so 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Right.
That's adding. Do you know what the addition sign looks like?
No.
Okay. It's a cross like this. A plus sign.
Okay.
That's what the addition sign is. Okay. So I'm going to show you a video today about adding with objects. Okay?
Good.
All right.
Subtraction makes things smaller, they say, instead of adding more on, it takes things away. My doggy needs addition, she really likes to add. Finding something different, which really makes her glad. She doesn't fuck with life, she stays up every night. Adding numbers, finding songs, makes her feel alright.
Okay, and that was a little preview of using objects or everyday items. And it was also a visual so you guys can see what it looks like to add, right? Okay, does anybody have any questions regarding that? Are you ready for the rest?
I feel like I am.
Okay, great. All right. Okay. Now, everyone's in their seats and we're gonna use beans, colorful beans to count. Okay?
My mom even did
Now
that
we
at home.
cannot, please raise your hand to speak.
Sorry.
We cannot put the beans or any of the pencils or erasers in our mouths, okay? All right. Now just like how the dog was telling us the story about how adding pounds and what the person was eating. Do you remember that in the video?
Yes.
And he was using addition. Okay, so now that's exactly what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do that with colorful beans, okay? So let's say there was a little ant that was going to the store, right? And she needed to get beans. She had to feed, let's say, 8 ants, right? But she only has 4 beans. How many more does she need? Let's count. Here we have 1. Everybody count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not enough, right? So we're gonna add 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's all we needed, right? So how many more did we add? We had the 4 and we added 5, 6, 7, 8. We added 4 more. Yes?
Why did we add 4 if you counted to 8?
Right, because we started from 5, right?
Okay.
So 1, count with me,
1,
2, 3, 4,
Okay.
and then we add 1, 2, 3, 4 more, and we have 8.
Yay.
So now we have our 8 beans, and that little ant can make food for everybody, right?
Right.
Okay. Now let's say we have pencils. Let's say I have 9 students that need pencils, right?
Right.
But I only have 5.
Right.
How many more am I gonna need? Let's count. So I have 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5.
6, and 5.
5, right? And now I need 4 more, right? Because we have 6.
Right.
Count with me.
6,
7,
7.
8, 9.
9. Okay.
Now let's use our fingers. Okay? We have, right, but show me only 5 fingers. 5. Now we're gonna add 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. And together we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, you got it. Okay. Any questions so far? Anybody? No? Okay. Now we're gonna use erasers. Okay, so let's say we have the 9 pencils. Now we need 9 erasers to go with them, but I only have 3. I only have 3 erasers. That's not enough. Is it enough?
No.
No. So I have 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3,
Now we're gonna add 4,
4,
5,
6,
6, 7,
7,
8, 9. How many more did we add? Well, let's use our fingers. We have 3 erasers, right? Now we're gonna add 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5, 6. We added 6 to get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we added 6 erasers to the 3 that we had to get the total that we needed. 9. So we're adding, correct?
Yes.
There are lots of terms that we can use for adding, such as plus, right? Addition. And when you have the total, you can say total or equals to. Any questions so far? Yes?
What is total and equals to?
Totals and equals to is the end number, the number that you have after adding.
Okay.
So 9 was the total. 6 plus 3 equals to 9, right? Let's write this on the board here that we have. I'm going to use one of our pencils. Okay. So when we counted the beans, we needed 8 beans, right? We only had 4. So we add, this is what the adding sign looks like, right? Plus 4 equals, can somebody tell me the answer? Raise your hand. Yes.
8.
8. Right. That is one of the ways that we can show the equal sign. Another way is like this. That's another way to see the equal sign. Okay?
Okay.
And we had the pencils, or the, yes, the pencils. We needed 9, but I only had 5, right? So then, okay, down here, I had 5 plus 4 equals 9. And then we had the erasers. We only had 3, but we needed 9. So we had 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay, can everybody see that?
Yes.
Great. All right, I'm going to keep this up here so we can look at it. Okay. So I'm going to write a math problem and you're going to draw a picture. Okay? And you're going to get to choose whatever item that you want to use. So I'm going to say that you have to solve 6 plus 4. Okay? So you have 6 plus 4. What does that equal? I'm going to give you a piece of paper. And you're going to draw me a picture. Do you remember how I told you the story about the ant who needed the beans to feed? Well, you get to choose whatever item you want. You can count eggs or school buses or books. And you have to draw me a picture of whatever you choose. What do you choose? Bananas. You want to count bananas. That's great. So you're going to draw a picture of a monkey getting bananas. But you have to add 6 plus 4. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, here's the pen and the paper. And I'm going to make sure and walk around that everybody's doing it right. I'm going to pass out pencils. And everybody gets started. You can ask me questions, whatever you want. Now draw your, yes.
We have to color the banana.
You do not have to color if you do not want. But you have to write the math problem on your piece of paper so you don't forget what you're writing, what you're solving. Okay, guys?
Okay.
You're doing a great job. Okay, so yes.
How do I add the other 4? How do I draw it?
Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me. 5, 6. So now you're gonna draw 4 more on this side. Okay.
Should I put a plus sign?
You can put a plus sign. That will help you see it better.
Okay.
Okay, good job. All right, now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that was your answer. Good job. Good job. Okay, great. I'm going to collect your papers.
Ooh.
Yes.
Can I put my name on it?
Yes, put your name on it. And your pencils. Nice, good job. Thank you. Okay, now you have to show me that you can do this on your own, okay? So you remember how we use the objects to add. Now I'm going to give everybody some erasers.
Okay.
And you're going to show me how to do a series of problems. I'm going to pass out this worksheet. Okay, and it has math problems on the other side, and don't turn it over until I say you can get started, okay? All right, here's a few erasers for you. I'm gonna give, don't play with the erasers, you have to do your work. Okay, it's only 5 problems. You can take as much time as you want, but you have to work quietly and by yourself.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, get started. Yes.
So, do we flip the paper over now?
Yes, you can flip the paper over now. Yes, good job.
Listen,
Yes,
what do we do with the erasers?
you're going to use those to solve the math problems, like how you solved 6 plus 4 with the bananas that you drew. Now you're going to use the erasers to count. Okay? I want to see you counting quietly. Okay. Good job, everybody. Now I'm going to collect everything and we're going to summarize what we did, okay? All right. Can somebody tell me what we did today? Raise your hand. Yes?
We learned how to add
We did, and what did we use to learn how to add?
objects.
Objects, right. And did you learn what the plus sign looks like today? And do you remember that video that we saw with the addition, the dog named Addition? Right. Good job. Does anybody have any last minute questions? Yes.
Is this all we're gonna learn today?
That's all we're going to do today. You did great.